Smell-O-Vision, activate! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today we are diving into another unboxing of Lavish Bath Box. I am super excited. I have been loving this subscription lately. It is the perfect treat myself type of box. I love the bath bombs that they put in here. I love the bubble bars and everything in between. So if you're interested to see the theme and what we have here, then stay tuned and let's open her up. The video, excuse this hand and the missing nail. It literally popped off 2 minutes before I sat down to film this video, and I was like, why? So let's open up our Lavish bath box and see what the theme is. I really have been avoiding other unboxings because you know your girl likes a good surprise. So let's see what we got. Okay, so this is what I see in the box, and the theme is Candy Shop. That is so cute. I am really excited about this. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the card, and it says Lavish Bath Box, August 2019 at Candy Shop. I'm loving the details, the artwork. It's gorgeous. I really love the cards that they put in here. They're super cute. And on the back, it has all the information of the items in the box. So let's go through them, and oh my gosh, what is smelling so good? And if you're new to Lavish Bath Box, I have left everything about the subscription, the price, what you get down below, so check out my description box for all of that good information. So I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I see, and this is the Yummy Gummy Bath Drops. Interesting. Okay, so the Yummy Gummy Bath Drops. So this is inspired by the popular game Candy Crush. I love that game. So these bath drops are scented in mixed fruit and candy. Drop multiple into bath water at once for a fun scent and color explosion. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The smell of this is amazing. And the colors in here, stunning. They really look like the gummy drops, the gummy drop candies. That is really fun. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Like this is fun. So this is something that I would keep just right beside my bath, and when I'm just feeling like a fun explosion, grab a couple and pop them in. So the smell is a yes, and I love the way that they are shaped. Super, super cute. So cute. And the next item that we are grabbing out of the box, this looks super interesting. So this is a lemon sugar rock bath candy, and it says Whipped Up Wonderful, which is the company that makes this. So let's see, so this is a bath rock candy. So swirl this rock candy inspired stalks around in water to release moisturizing cocoa butter and rejuvenating salts in a variety of tasty scents: black raspberry, vanilla, lemon, coconut, and strawberry. So I got the lemon sugar one, and it looks really cool. I love the handle. So yeah, just run your water, do a little swirl swirl, and that's fun. I really love this box also because it's like interactive, right? Like it's not just sitting in a tub, like you have something going on, which is super fun. So I do like doing just like this fun little stuff when I'm taking a bath. And the smell is really citrusy, which I like. Yeah, that's nice. And at the top, I see the salts that the description was saying. So this is super cute, and I love the smell. It's a keeper. It's a keeper. All right, and the next item I'm seeing here, this is interesting. This is a Fairy Floss Lip Sugar Scrub, and let's see. This says, so the Fairy Floss Lip Scrub, so exfoliate and moisturize those dry patch lips with this tasty sugar scrub for your lips, flavored with sweet cotton candy. Just buff on and lick it off. Oh, okay. Because I have so many lip scrubs already, I definitely want to keep this sealed and let someone else give it a try. But yeah, it looks super pretty. It's a very nice pink, watermelon pink color. Ooh. Oh, you look interesting. Real interesting. Okay, so this is a sweet treat bubble bar. And again, bubble bars, you only want to break off a little piece and put them in your water, and then you get a lot of bubbles, but you don't want to add everything. Bubble galore. So this is, it says to crumble under the running tap for deliciously frothy bubbles scented in red starburst, a blend of Bing and maraschino cherries with vanilla, topped with soap candies and a drizzle of cocoa butter. So this is so cute. Now it says you can crumble it. It says crumble underwater, but it doesn't say how much. But from my past experiences, I'm just gonna crumble a little bit and see how much bubbles that makes, and then slowly keep adding instead of just like crumbling all of this, just in case. But it looks super interesting. It has like a gummy bear at the top with a lollipop type of swirl, and I want to say this is maybe like a piece of cake at the bottom. It looks really, really interesting, and I can't get a smell through the packaging. It's like completely sealed, which is completely fine. But yeah, it looks super interesting, so we will definitely be giving this a try. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna add this in slow pieces, and once I get enough bubbles, then we will have some fun. Oh, now this is so cute. Oh, this is adorable. Okay, so this is the I Want Candy Bath Bomb. So this airbrushed candied cutie are scented with Sour Patch Kids. Oh, my favorite candy. Sour Patch Kids with citrus and berry top notes on a sweet vanilla base. Oh my gosh. Yes, Sour Patch Kids are my favorite sour gummy candy ever. It's Sour Patch. I'm like so excited. Calm down, Chip. It's okay. It's just candy. So Sour Patch Kids are my favorite, and then sour gummy worms are also my favorite candies. But this is super cute. It is shaped as like a candy wrapped thing. It is so cute. So on the back, it says sweet and sour. And you just want to place this in your bath water, relax in the moisture, scent, and sparkle, and enjoy the color show. So that is super cute. I love it. I honestly love it. That is adorable. So we got two of them in our box. So the second one I have, this is still sweet and sour, same thing. And yeah, this one is just blue, purple, pink, whereas this one was more pink, red, orange. So now I have two, and I'm excited. I think I'm more drawn to the blue, purple, pink, obviously, but I will give both of them a try. But that is just so cute. I love it. So this box is really impressing me based on the scents and based on the theme and also the aesthetics of the items. Very, very cute. I am loving it. Okay. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What? This is so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So this is the Gummy Bear Bath Bomb. So cute. Oh my gosh, I can't stand it. This is adorable. So this is the, let's see, this adorable extra large gummy bear inspired bath bomb comes in a variety of colors scented in candied grape and watermelon. Oh my gosh, this is, I don't even want to use it. Like, I just want to put it like by my bathtub and just stare at it. You're so cute. So cute. And yeah, this definitely reminds me of a gummy bear. Like, the molds that they're using these days, guys, top notch. Whoever's making y'all's molds, top notch. This is adorable. So on the back, it does say, let's see, this is 25 ounces. Ooh, that's gonna be a good time. This is gonna be a good time. And yeah, that's super cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that's it. So these are all of the bath items that were included in my August 2019 Lavish Bath Box subscription. And again, it was the candy shop theme. Super excited about all of these items, and I really cannot wait to give them a try. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think of the items that I unboxed down in the comments. I really love chit-chatting with you guys, and I will meet you there. And yeah, that's all I have. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.